Let's talk about consolidation. What if you're selling multiple relinquished properties? Can you take the proceeds from numerous sales and combine them together to buy one bigger, better replacement property? The answer is yes, but you've got two challenges. First is the logistics of trying to sell, buy, and herd all of your cats together for those sales to occur, thus allowing you to assemble your capital for the big purchase. And the second is an accounting issue. You need to make sure that the replacement property you're buying is sized or valued large enough that it can accommodate the proceeds from multiple sales. Generally, you want the replacement property to be at least equal, if not greater in value than the amounts realized from the 3 or more sales. Those amounts realized are the gross sale prices minus the transactional expenses like the commissions, state deed tax, recording fees, and nickel and dime expenses that reduce the profit on the sale. So remember, you can do a 1031 and you can acquire a bigger, better property, but you've got to work out the logistics and you've got to work out the accounting.